All right, moving on to lab 5-5. First thing we want to do is open up audit action sheets. Um, while that opens up, okay. Our book tells us to look inside the audit master file for the document titled audit action sheets and open it to edit it. And what we want to do is use the yellow highlight to identify any master or transaction tables, and then use the green highlighter to identify any fields or attributes such as name or date, and use the blue highlighter to identify any specific values or rules such as true, January 1st, or greater than. And then after that, we're creating a new spreadsheet. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to the audit action sheet. Um, okay, so here I went ahead and highlighted what I thought went into each category. So employee suppliers and payments all look like tables to me. So I went ahead and highlighted those yellow. Um, the blue should not also be related to, except where approved by controller, should have valid data, should only be made to approved. All sound like rules to me, and so I went ahead and highlighted those um, in blue. And valid zip codes and phone numbers sounded to me like data. What did it say? Yeah. So any fields or attributes, so such as name or date, and so that's what I believe to be um, should be highlighted in green, yellow, and blue. All right, and for the next steps, we have to create a new Excel form, and I'm gonna try to create it within OneDrive so I don't have to, bring it in and save it. So we want to call this audit automation summary. Hit create, let it load real quick, and then we can go ahead and move on. Oh, okay. Well, I don't think this is what I wanted. Okay, maybe not. Wait. Okay. Well, not sure what happened there or what it opened, but we're on the Excel sheet we want. And within here, we're gonna want to type in the information from our textbook, which is AAS. I can't read that. Number sign, I think. Tab, table, attributes. Values slash rules, and then steps. And lastly, notes. Right? Highlight all these, properly adjust them. Hopefully I still have my auto action sheet. Yeah. Okay. So all right. So here I have some of the examples that were gone over in the one of the helpful videos. So the design and the control. Um, sorry, the design and the control are all taken from the policy, and that comes from our audit action sheet. And so using these highlights, we can come up with numerous examples. Yeah, these were just some of the ones gone over in the video. But yeah, that's what they come from the audit action sheets using these highlights. And what we're doing is building an audit plan and making sure we are documenting yeah, and just documenting how we build the audit plan. An important aspect to audit is documentation. So this is pretty important. Yeah, and this is lab 5-5.